Hey, welcome to Victoria Square in the middle of Birmingham. I want to tell you a little bit more about our walking tours of the city centre and some innovations we're doing with live translation. Our normal tours now have an audio system where the guide carries a transmitter and the tourists have a receiver. People with hearing impairment or large groups find this incredibly useful, and this has advantages in both noisy and quiet places on our tours. Now we're introducing some new technology called the Travis translator. Travis uses artificial intelligence and 4G connectivity, soon hopefully 5G, to allow the internet to translate the tour commentary. Hey, let's demonstrate the use of Travis for some different languages. Victoria Square is the central city space surrounded by important Victorian buildings.
Der Victoria Square ist der zentrale Stadtraum, der von wichtigen viktorianischen Gebäuden umgeben.
The town hall behind me was faced with stone from North Wales, and today it's an entertainment venue.
El ayuntamiento que estaba detrás de mí tenía una piedra del norte de Gales y hoy es un lugar de entretenimiento.
The council house is the seat of our local government.
議會係我哋地方政府嘅所在地。
We can book walking tours from our website all through the year.
So können wir jetzt wieder das ganze Jahr über unsere Website Wandertouren buchen.
So I hope you can see Travis Translate is going to have a huge impact on a walking tour of a city centre like Birmingham as we get more and more tourists visiting